Finally, fish vendors, most of them women who had to function out of Bijay Market, can see a ray of hope in the horizon with steps being taken to speed up the construction work of the new market. The fisherfolk had to move out of the Bijay Market as construction of the new market complex had begun 4 years ago. But then the work was stopped for an indefinite period. As a result, the vendors were forced to sell fish on the side of the road. But signaling good days ahead, those vendors will be soon accommodated in the new market complex as the work on the building has already resumed. MCC Executive Engineer Rajashekar told that the tender has been floated and the work is underway. The complex is expected to be completed within 5 months. KPCC Secretary Ivan D'Souza, who is also the honorary advisor of Bijay Market, Horata Samiti, told that though the market was delayed with the Samiti's pressure tactics playing its role, but finally things have sorted and the work has started. The new market complex will be a 3-story building. The total cost of the tender is Rs 1.69 crore and the work will be carried out by contractor Rajaram. The entire work on Bijay Market is expected to be completed within 6 months. Once the first floor work gets ready, probably within 3 months, fish vendors may be shifted to the new market complex, he said. The Indian Christian Laity Forum will be holding a conference at Don Bosco Hall in Mangalore on January 26 in order to create awareness among the masses regarding the alleged misuse of power and authority by Christian clergy. Father Joseph Matham, SJ, from Baroda, will be the keynote speaker at the function, informed by P.B. Desa, founder member of the forum. Sulya police have arrested Vasant Sheregar, the accused in the recent double murder case that rocked Sulya. He had killed Padmavati, wife of Harish Naika and Hitesh. Padmavati and the accused had an extramarital affair since 2 years. But on Saturday night, it is Padmavati turned down his request and went along with Hitesh. Once again, the main headlines. Another channel cameraman arrested in connection with homestay attack. MCC officials raid Karangal Padi market, seized plastics and collected fine. Finally, a ray of hope for fisherwomen. Bijay new market construction resumes. This is all in this edition. For more news, keep watching V4 News 24/7, or you may also log on to www.v4news.com.